Am I wrong for asking my mom's boyfriend to stop trying to act like he's my dad? So my dad died suddenly about a year ago, and my mom found this really nice guy that she started seeing. I'm 23 male and going into my final year of college. My mom's boyfriend has two daughters ages 15 and 13. My mom has stepped into being a mother figure to them, and the boyfriend has stepped into my extended family, becoming everyone's favorite uncle. And while I'm glad everyone else is comfortable with him, I'm not. He isn't a bad guy, I'm just still grieving my father, and it feels like he's trying to replace him. He tries to set rules for me, things like chores and curfew. My real dad would have never done that because he thought rules like that was ridiculous for adults. But the boyfriend thinks it's only fair because I have siblings now. I think it's absolutely ridiculous to have the same rules apply because of our age differences. And now he's trying to get me to share stuff with his kids. They're not lacking for anything, but he thinks it's only fair because we're family. I live in the basement of my mom's house, and I have since I was 15. When you open the door to my house, there's the basement door and then the stairs leading up to the rest of the house, so it's pretty separate. So here's what happened. Last night, I was DDing for some friends and got home at about 2 a.m. I had nothing to do in the morning because classes haven't even started back yet. And this has never been a big deal with my parents before. So when I got home, I just shot my mom a text and went to bed. But when boyfriend got home from work, he flipped. I got a lecture and then I got sent to my room, and now he's talking about possibly taking away my car. I snapped and laid it out for him. I told him I'm leaving the city after I graduate. I told him I'm glad my mom found a new partner, but I'm not, and I will not be looking to him for a father figure, and he needs to respect that. Then I told him that there's a chance that we'll never have a father-son relationship. So he needs to respect me as an adult, or I don't want a relationship with him at all. He ended up telling my whole family what happened, and now they're all calling me the bad guy. So am I wrong?